Storms Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 Pro for Straight Talk. So currently, as of this video recording, the iPhone 13 Pro is up for pre-orders on Straight Talk. So this will be available on September 24th. So Straight Talk has the iPhone 13 Pro and graphite for $999.99, 128 gigabytes of storage. So yeah. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro right here. Looks very nice. So on the right side of the phone, you guys have your power button. On the left side of the phone is your volume keys and the alert switch. You have your notch stack for your front-facing camera, earpiece, and whatnot. On the back of the iPhone 13 Pro, pretty much the same thing as the iPhone 12 Pro from last year. Same design, pretty much, but better internal. So you guys got 3 cameras on over here, along with your camera flash, Apple logo, and whatnot. There's an up close and there's an up close to the camera there. So like I said, this item is for pre-orders. So it's be out September 24th. I don't know why it says the 27th here, but the iPhone says be out the 24th. So we'll see about that. Alright. It says iPhone 13 Pro, even more Pro. iPhone 13 Pro, the biggest Pro camera system upgrade ever. Super run the XDR display with permission for a faster, more responsive feel. Lightning fast A15 Bionic chip, super fast 5G, durable design, and a huge leap in battery life. So the iPhone 13 Pro has ProMotion, which is their version of a. So basically makes the refresh rate better. So it has 120 Hz refresh rate. The iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max have the ProMotion feature, which you can have your iPhone up to 120 Hz refresh rate. So that is a first for the iPhone. So it's about time. Network 5G, 4 LTE, Wi-Fi 6. Display 6.1 inches. Super Retina XDR OLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10, W Vision display. Dimensions are 5.78 inches height, 2.81 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. Standby time up to 22. Alright. So you get 22 hours of multimedia and 25 hours of playback of music. The iPhone 13 Pro weighs 7.20 ounces. Battery is a lithium-ion, non-removable, fast-charging 20-watt battery. Talk time up to 22 hours. There's your bands there. Bluetooth 5.0. A15 Bionic chip. What comes in the iPhone 13 Pro box is nothing special, pretty much your standard iPhone packaging here. So you do get the iPhone 13 Pro with iOS 15, USB-C to Lightning cable, documentation. That is it. No charging brick in the box. So there is no charging brick. So Apple expects you to have your own charging brick. So you guys will only get the iPhone, the charging cable, and the documentation. That is it. No charging brick or nothing like that. So yeah. So to keep it in mind. More features. iOS 15. iOS is the world's most personal and secure mobile operating system, packed with powerful features and designed to protect your privacy. Display 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion for a faster, more responsive feel. So you do get a 120 Hz refresh rate. I don't know if that comes out the box or if you had to do it in settings and whatnot. Design, durable design with ceramic shield, industry leading IP68 water resistance. Camera 12 megapixel true depth. Front camera with night mode, 4K, W Vision, HDR recording, Bionic chip, A15 Bionic chip for lightning fast performance. Speed 5G for super fast downloads and high quality streaming. And I think that is it. So, there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 Pro is up for pre-orders at Straight Talk. Should be out on the 24th of September. So, Straight Talk has the iPhone 13 Pro for $999.99. This is the 128GB version in graphite. So, this is only storage option that they have. They don't have the 13 Pro Max. Not right now. They don't, at least. I don't know if they'll get the iPhone 13 Pro Max. They should get it, but we'll see. So, yeah, when this video goes live on YouTube, and you guys will see this item is up for pre-orders only. Don't freak out when the video goes live on YouTube. It should be available to purchase, which should be the 24th of September. So, yeah, so there you guys have it. Straight Talk now has the iPhone 13 Pro 128GB version. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It'll help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.